Hello there and welcome to the tutorial on how to profile Laravel application in Visual Studio Code. First, make sure you have PHP extension for Visual Studio Code and PHP profiler extension for Visual Studio Code installed. Then open a folder with your Laravel application. You should see a directory structure like this. Make sure you have PHP and Xdebug for PHP installed. If you are not sure, go to View Output, tap PHP, and you should see a line like this: found PHP, your version, and Xdebug. Then go to Run and Debug tab and create a launch.json file. Choose PHP, and as you can see, it created several default launch configurations for you. The first one is launching a built-in server with debugging. The second one is launching a built-in server with profiling. The last one is just listening and waiting for Xdebug. Let's close this window and choose the launch built-in server and profile in the Run and Debug menu. And by clicking Start, a development server with profiling configuration will start, and every request we will make to the application will get collected for the inspection. Click Start, and as you can see, first request was already made, so let's make another one. Switch back to Visual Studio Code and stop the session. Visual Studio Code will open every profiling file, every profiling result of each request in a separate tab. There are 4 of them. 2 of them are to the root of the Laravel application, and 2 of them are requests to the static file favicon.ico. We are not interested in this one, so we can close the favicon.ico and keep just those 2. And let's dig into the list of functions. The profiling result shows you the complete time the single request took, memory it took, and list of all the functions being called during the request, number of calls and time it took, including all the child calls of the method. In here we can see kernel handle, class loader, and stuff like this. We can filter functions by what we are interested in. So we are interested, for example, in just stuff by composer, so let's filter the list by the word composer. And as you can see, class loader load class took 1:52 milliseconds, which is half of the request time. It's pretty heavy function, right? So now we know that half of the time of each request is taken by the class loader. If you have your own custom stuff, your models, your routes, you can filter the view by what you are interested in and see by yourself how much time it takes during the request, and you can possibly optimize or get rid of the functions that take too much time. So I hope you liked the video. Please make sure to try the profiling your application to make it better and faster for your users, and see you next time.